Hey guys, we are behind the scenes at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show, and I am here with Mike Reichman from Kenyon, and he has just shown us some really cool products, so we're coming to you. Let's start with the cookware. What is it called, and how does it work? And show us what it does.
This is called StacKEN, Lisa, and it's called StacKEN because you can see it stacks. And what this allows us to do, this is the finest cookware you will ever use. It's made in the United States, 7-ply stainless steel, can be used on any cooking surface. But what makes it really unique is the fact that the handles are removable. And they just lock in like that.
That's fantastic. Oh, and that's in there.
That's in there. You'd never know that it's removable.
No, that's fantastic. And of course, on a boat, it's saving all types of room, being able to stack it like that.
You get 4 essential pieces. You get a 1-quart, a 2-quart, a 3-quart, and a fry pan, 8.5-inch fry pan. All with their own handles, of course. They just lock in place. That's all there is to it.
That's fantastic. And what are we setting all this cookware on? What is this?
This is another great innovation from Kenyon. This is called a SilKEN mat, and it's for our induction cooktops. And this does a lot of great things for you. It stays on your glass cooktop while you're actually cooking. And so if you boil something and it starts to boil over, and normally it makes a big mess, this will stay on the mat because there's a drip edge all the way around here. This spill edge keeps anything that falls onto the mat from rolling off onto the countertop and onto the floor. It also, if you're frying something and you get grease spattered everywhere,
right,
you'll never have to clean this cooktop again.
Fantastic. You're speaking my language.
And the other great thing, of course, is safety. This will hold the cookware in place even at angles up to 30 degrees. So if the boat starts to rock, a big powerboat comes by and starts to rock this thing,
oh, wow,
this will go nowhere. But the great thing about it, of course, is that when you're done cooking, you roll this up and you throw it in the dishwasher or the sink, and you're done. That's all there is to it.
So the SilKEN and the StacKEN from Kenyon, you saw it here first, folks. This is great stuff, specifically for boating. And thank you for being with us. If people want more information, where can they find it?
Go to cookwithkenyon.com.
Cookwithkenyon.com for more information. And stay tuned as we come to you live from Fort Lauderdale all weekend long.
Thank you, Lisa.
Thank you.